Alright, today I wanted to talk to you guys about the simulator in which I learned FPV on, and this simulator was the Drone Racing League Simulator, or DRL Simulator, and it was a fantastic simulator. It really broke down how to fly FPV, because flying FPV is freaking hard. And so it starts you off with a drone in third person, and you just practice doing roll and pitch and whatnot, and then it progressively gets harder and harder, and then eventually it gets you to the point where you can put on the goggles, but you have still stability control and the drone keeps itself level, and you go through all these different courses. You pop balloons, you go through gates, and it teaches you skills like how to turn and how to correctly point your camera in the right direction so that you don't get disoriented and whatnot. And it gives you all these little tips and puts it together in little challenges that are honestly super fun. And then finally, it takes off the limiter, and you get to start racing. And all the racetracks are just super fun, and would super recommend you guys use this simulator to learn. Also, another great thing about the simulator was that I was able to connect my RC controller that I already had from flying drones in the past. So I have a Spectrum DX7, and I was able to buy a dongle. I'll put the link in the description, but you just plug that right in, and it works perfectly with the simulator. Yeah, so overall, the DRL simulator, it's super good. Would recommend. And that's really all for this video. See you in the next one.